Hey there, so if you own the Alienware AW2725DF and you're looking for the best settings for your monitor, this is something that you can try. So you want to set the resolution to 2560 to 1440p. You want to enable HDR for HDR content, disable the SDR content, adjust brightness to 45% and contrast to 55% as a starting point. But this is going to be important. This really depends, like if you're playing games, if you're doing something, you can increase a little bit, like to maybe even 55% the brightness. Now, monitor on screen display settings, brightness to 85. Now you can go even higher to like 90. Then what you can try to do, you can set the contrast to maybe like even a 75. Try it out. 80 is good too. Sharpness 50%, this is default. Now we want to also, you can use the creator mode. You can disable HDR mode in OSD if you're not using HDR content, so all brightness adjustably. Now game settings. So you want to use the creator mode in monitor OCD. Then you want to adjust NVIDIA control panel settings, set digital vibrance to 60, set brightness to 45, and set contrast to 55% for shadow detail. Now we want to also enable HDR mode in both Windows and monitor. Select HDR 1000 mode, adjust Windows HDR settings to your preference, and then creator mode offers excellent out-of-the-box color accuracy. So also the monitor got a low input lag and fast response time, so this is another thing. So I just want to make this like quick video for you regards the settings that you can try to improve your monitor. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.